Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Today I would like to share a story. This story help you improve your confidence, face the fear. Like some people want to do something in their life, but automatically fear come with thoughts. So this story for them. So let's start. So the title of the story, The Power of Thinking. In a quiet village, there lived a man named Ravi. He was not rich. He was not famous. He worked in a small printer shop. That shop was small and old. Every day he opened the shop early morning and cleaned entire shop, arranged all paper, print some papers like this. Inside the shop only had two things. First, a old table. Second, a old printer machine. So the shop had a narrow window. Every day Ravi sat near the window and looked outside the window. So outside the window had a big road. So Ravi could see the road. Ravi noticed every day on road vehicles moved fastly and some people walked with confidently. Some people busy on their stuff. So deep inside his heart softly whispered, "This life not for you, Ravi." Ravi had a dream. He was child. He loved color. He loved painting. He loved design. He used he used to make design. So life has a different plan to him. His father was seriously ill, and his life become hard, and the money became tight. The responsibility become heavier. So his dream disappeared with time. So whenever he thought about our dream, so automatically fear come with thoughts. He thought like this: if I will do something in my life, I could fail, and some people laughing on me, and I will lose everything in my life. He thought like this, and one day he worked late inside the shop. The street was white. The sky was soft orange color. So Ravi closed the shop and sat on the stairs. So Ravi held in his hand a design paper. Ravi made the design the secretly. Ravi opened it and looked it very carefully. So Ravi softly smiled, and fear again automatically came and whispered, "This is useless, Ravi. No one will see your design. Nobody care your design." So Ravi folded the paper and keep inside the bag. So Ravi went to the home. Next day, Ravi was working inside the shop, and an old man came. He oftenly came the shop. So the old man named Arya. He was quiet, but his eyes was sharp, and he noticed on the table a print design page. He took it on his hand and looked it very carefully. He asked to Ravi, "Did you make this?" Ravi felt nervous and said, "Yes, just for a practice." The old man again noticed the design paper. So he asked something easy question to him, to Ravi. So, uh, Ravi, why are you hiding this? Ravi didn't say anything. So old man continue said, like, why are you always down looking? Ravi, you lived a small room, but inside the room had a big window. So why are you looking down? Mostly people don't fail because life is hard. Mostly people fail because they think small. Ravi was confused. So the old man said, if nothing was stopping you, no limits, no fear, Why are you hiding this? The old man continue said. So Ravi, that night Ravi could not sleep. So Ravi was thinking the old man thoughts because no one cared to Ravi. So Ravi looked around the room and he noticed the window. He could see outside the window a lot of stars. And Ravi sat on the bed, and he was thinking how to improve my things, like how to improve my overthinking. Like all time I am overthinking. And so Ravi thought, like after 1 year, Ravi could think freely. Like I want to make a design. I want people see my design. Um, I want to do something in my life. Ravi can think freely. So Ravi had a courage to something do. So next day he started. So he he didn't take a risk in their life. He didn't leave the job. So mm, he worked like after work he stay extra 1 hour inside the shop. So he made design with like in that design was simple but it looked good. So Ravi made continue in the night extra 1 hour. So he upload on online with simple phone. So after 1 week, one person like his painting and comment also. So he felt happy. One day he went to the local shop. The shop owner said, "I saw your design online." So Ravi felt happy. So the shop owner said, "Can you make the design for me?" So Ravi said, "Yes, of course." So Ravi made Ravi made a design to him. So with clarity and with gave the time to best. So one day Ravi went to the shop and gave the design, and the shop owner opened that page, and the shop owner said, "This design look very pretty." So Ravi felt happy. So Ravi fear gone. Like this, whenever he did his work, so fear come, but this time fear came, but we come. Ravi thought very powerful. So Ravi entire change, like Ravi work on himself. So like one day Ravi sat near the window, and like he noticed outside the window on road everything same. Ravi was changed, and Ravi thoughts was changed. So that moment, old man came and he asked to Ravi to clean the window, Ravi. So, and with a smile, Ravi back smiled and said, "No, I clean my thoughts." So, when like sometime Ravi walked on the road with confidently, look forward, not down. So, because of Ravi, improve your confidence and remove the fear. So, like your thoughts that build your future. People think small, life stays small. If people think big, future growth automatically. So, this story not for Ravi. This is story for those people who always who always think small. So, I think this story help you if you took if you will take in a positive way. So I think this story giving a right message in your life. So thank you so much listen my story very carefully. So like yes, I made a mistake while speaking, so please ignore them, and you can correct my mistake on a comment section, I would say. So like you can do practice like this. So only I am doing practice like with the help of telling storytelling. So because I watched this video on a YouTube and I create a story my own word. So please correct my mistake on a comment section, and thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.